Okay, over the last couple of days, I've been working on wiring. I've got most of the ceiling where the I guess they call them puck lamps. They're LEDs. They have individual switches, and there's going to be a dimmer right here where the cabinet's going to be. I spray foamed the gaps in this end wall. This is the feed for the clearance lights. I ran it up and you can see the slot there. Here's the one clearance light. And I put the wires slotted in the foam and ran it over here. And you can see a couple of pigtails hanging out where the lights will be mounted. Those clearance lights will be mounted. There's also going to be another one down here and on the corresponding side and on both sides at the back. Since it's less than, I think it's 80 inches wide, I'm not sure. It doesn't require the extra 3 lights at the top, at the back, but I may put those in anyway. I'm going to start the ceiling now. As you can see, I've got a paint tray and a roller. What I'm planning on doing is, you can see the 4-foot mark here. I'm going to put this sheet on. Use the roller to glue up all the foam and the cross pieces. I'm not going to put a second coat of glue onto the wood. It'd be better, but really I don't think it's, with the amount of glue I put on with the roller, I don't think it's necessary to coat the underside. I have to wire up the fans in the bathroom light yet. I thought I had everything done as far as embedding wires up in the roof. There's going to be a cabinet here and all the wires will be hooked together and the main feed will come up through another cabinet that's going to go to floor to ceiling there at the end of the kitchen area. And I'm going to I want to use wireless dimmer, but we have both. We have a wireless dimmer set and we have a conventional dimmer slide switch. I'm kind of leaning towards the conventional one, although I do like having the push button control. But this is fairly easy because the dinette is here and the switch will be right here. What's the difference? You're moving 2 feet to push the button. All these joints, you can see the marrettes, they're just covering. I don't like the idea of a mechanical connection in something that isn't going to be very easily accessible. So I soldered all the joints and then I just used the marrettes basically as guards to prevent shorts. And then there'll be another solder joint because there's little pigtails coming out of the lights. And the bulk of the wiring is going to be back there under the bed. And that's why I want to get the ceiling done. I really want to get this ceiling on, all the wires embedded, and then I can start building all the framework for all the cupboards, the bed, and the dinette up here. All right, so that's about it for today. Not much excitement going on, but it all takes time. Thanks for watching. Bye.